Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So the Google recently rolled out a useful Android messages feature that lets you send text messages from your PC through the web. So today I will show you how to use this Android messages web interface and use your computer to send SMS. So this method requires the Android messages application. So how to get it? So just open your Google Play Store and in the search bar section you can type Android messages, and this is in that application, so you can click to install it. And the application size is nearly 23 megabytes, so you can wait for some time. Then it starts to installing. So once the installation process is completed, you can click to open this application. Then it shows some instructions, so you can click to skip these steps and then click to next. So also it asks for permissions, so you can click to allow this application because this app will access your all contacts. So finally this application is ready to use. So next, how to use this app in your desktop. So now open your Google Chrome or any web browser in your computer and then click to access that I mentioned URL, and the URL is http://messages.android.com, and in this web page section it shows one QR code. So now you can open your Android messages application in your Android mobile, and in this section you can click that three dot icon. Then it shows four options. So here you can select messages for web and the second one, and then select scan QR code. Then click to allow. So finally my mobile camera starts to scanning the QR code. Now open your browser and match that QR code into your Android mobile. But before I'm going to do this method, first of all you can enable this option, remove this computer, because this will help you to prevent the automatically logout from this computer. Now I try to scan my QR code. So finally here you can see this Android messages web is ready to use. So if you send the new message from this web, you can select new conversation. So finally here you can see, so it shows my all contacts. So by using these contact numbers, you can send the messages from your PC, and this method works very smoothly. So due to the time consumption, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily send the messages from your PC to any devices. For more videos, you can subscribe my channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.